Hey guys, welcome back to the channel where the possible is made possible. Guys, remember that if you're new to the channel, please share, like, subscribe and comment. Hit that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post. So guys, I'm out in nature today and I'm gonna be having a nature walk, nature talk, all manner of challenges with nature. So guys, you're getting to know a little bit more about me. You're telling me some I love nature. Yeah, I love nature. Yeah, I love nature. Come along with me, guys. Come along with me. Come on the journey. Alright guys, so as I told you before, I was gonna let you kind of get into my word. I was gonna kind of let you get to understand me a lot more. I love nature, so I'm gonna do a freestyle poem about nature. Oh nature, sweet nature, your hands are soft as a baby's butt. Oh nature, sweet nature, caress me, hold me, sweet nature, and let me feel you close to me. Alright guys, so I'm gonna continue my poem. Oh nature, sweet nature, here comes a pig, and him look big. Oh, what's going on? Alright guys, oh nature, sweet nature, though you're so soft, you're solid as a rock. You're tough, yes. Guys, I'm just fooling around, but I really do love poetry. I love to write. It's an outlet for me. Alright, and I love to play around and all of that. Let me see if I can give you a really good poem about nature. Nature, sweet nature, you wrap me around like a beautiful gown. You sit upon me and you look at me beautifully. Sweet nature. Alright guys, come along on the journey. Come along. Guys, I'm approaching a pig. Alright guys, never allow anyone to out your fire. Have you ever been motivated about something in your life before, and there comes someone with a negative spirit or a negative word, or someone who does not believe in your dream, and all of a sudden you just feel like you can't go on? Like seriously, never let anyone out your fire. Always understand that what's going on within is more important than what's going on without. It's not very easy for you to cross certain hurdles. For example, you have a big plan, you have some big dreams and some big goals, and you share it with a friend. Maybe it's a very, very good friend, but this friend is negative and this friend does not necessarily believe in your dream. Are you gonna drop your dream because people don't believe? Say for example, you have people in your life who you expect to be of great support, and these persons are not supporting you. Say for example, alright, I decided to start Motivation Land, and maybe a lot of persons are saying it's foolishness or whatever, but I know that through this channel I want to bring hope to people, and I'm not gonna stop. Definitely not gonna stop doing what I'm doing. So don't make nobody out your fire. Keep blazing, keep shining, believe in your dreams, go after it. Be persistent, be consistent. Those two things are very important. They go hand in hand. Persistency, consistency. Yes, make sure you have that. And guess what? Get up on a daily basis, open your mouth and speak over your dream. Tell yourself, I can, I will, I must, and there's absolutely nothing that will stop me. Also, ensure that whatever you're dreaming about, that aligns itself with the will of God. Come along on the journey with me. Oh my God, guys, take a look at my view. I'm actually on the top of a building, and I have the backdrop of the cockpit country. No, I'm gonna find out. But I have the backdrop of Queen of Spain Valley. Yeah, look at it, guys. Wow. Woo, my God. Guys, it's so beautiful. It is so beautiful. All right, so we're talking about don't let people out your fire. Yes, a lot of persons can't dream with you, and if them can't dream with you, don't let them come along with you. As a matter of fact, know who you share your dreams with. Share your dream with people who can encourage you. Share your dream with people who can be in your corner for support, people who are positive. Be careful who you share your dreams with, because people will hurt you. But at the same time, there are people who will support you. They will hold your hand, they'll be in your corner, they will tell you positive words, they will even give monetary support, right? They will add gasoline to your fire. Yeah, there are people who want to literally see you make it. All right, so there's a negative and a positive side to it. All right, no matter what, your dream should stay alive. Dream big. Don't dream small. Don't think small, think big. Whatever the mind conceives, the heart believes, you can achieve. If you can think it, you can have it. Do not allow your background to stop you. Do not allow where you're from to stop you. Guys, don't allow certain little things to block you. Listen to me and listen very carefully. See sun in my eyes? You might be born of a very poor family and you come up and see certain customs. Be the change. Be the change. It takes one man to start a revolution. It takes one woman to say, I can. It takes one child, one boy, one girl to say, I will be the change. Guys, look how the nature does look nice, not true? Yeah. So that is why I call it Motivations Land, because there's so much in the land to motivate me, Woo! Yep. A dream. I have a vision. I can see it crystal clear. I have a vision. That a change is in the air. Yeah. I have a vision that Jamaica will rise. Realize this country is a great enterprise. Practice with LT. Listen, I have a dream that one of my motivation landers watching will be inspired. Somebody watching today will get on fire for your dream can become a reality. Listen, take a stand. Take a stand today. Write your vision and make it plain. Yeah? Write it on the mountain top. Use your voice if you have to. Write it in the valley. Everywhere you go, take that dream with you and work on it. 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 Yeah, work on that dream because it must become a reality. Wow. Oh, guys, remember to like, subscribe, share, and comment. Guys, like it and subscribe it. Hit that notification bell. Guys, hit that notification bell. Look at the beautiful view that I am giving all of you. Share it on your statuses and on your Facebook pages, guys. Let's get this wonderful message across to the people. Yeah, the beautiful, beautiful, beautiful land. So this is where we will say bye for now. Bye, guys, remember to run on over to Trisha's Kiddies Corner. That's my children's channel, and like it and subscribe it also. Alrighty, thank you so much.